Hey guys, it's Sarah from Hair to Dream, and here's a pull-through loop braid tutorial. You'll start with 2 ponytails, the same way you would start a normal pull-through braid. Then, just like a pull-through braid, divide the top ponytail into 2 and bring that bottom ponytail up and clip it. Now you'll take the 2 strands from the top ponytail, gather some more hair, and tie all of it together with an elastic. Now take the clip out from the top and bring the ponytail down, so you'll have 2 ponytails. And this is where we do the extra step. So you'll split the top ponytail into 2 strands, and before you bring that bottom ponytail up through the middle, you'll take the right strand of the top ponytail and stick it through that loop. So you'll stick it through and just bring it down, and then you'll do the same thing on the other side. I used my hands for this first one, but for the rest of them I used a topsy tail tool, which was a lot faster and easier. So after doing that extra step with the loops, you'll end up with 2 ponytails, just like you did at the beginning of this braid, with one on top and one on bottom. And from here, you will continue just like a normal pull-through braid. You'll split the top ponytail into 2, bring that bottom ponytail up through the middle, clip it out of the way, gather some extra hair, and then combine it with those 2 strands from the top ponytail. And then you'll just repeat those steps all the way down. You'll start with 2 ponytails, split that top one into 2 strands, and then you're going to weave it through that hole. I used my topsy tail tool here, and it made it so much easier and quicker. And after you do this step, you will continue like a normal pull-through braid. You'll split that top ponytail into 2, bring the bottom one up through the middle, clip it, and then tie all that extra hair at the bottom with the 2 strands from the top ponytail. And then you'll start again. Split the top ponytail into 2, weave both of those strands through the loop. After weaving them through the loop, you'll end up with 2 ponytails again. Split the top ponytail into 2, bring the bottom ponytail up through the middle of the top ponytail, and then tie the top ponytail strands together. And then follow that pattern as far down as you want to go. And that's it. It's just a pull-through braid with an extra step that happens right before you bring the bottom ponytail up between the top ponytail. So if you have a topsy tail tool, I would recommend using it. If not, you can definitely do it without a topsy tail tool. And then I just finished it off by completing that extra step one last time, looping those strands through the hole, and then tying all of the hair together with an elastic. And that's it. I hope you like it, and remember to tag Hair to Dream if you try it. Thanks.